The dentist SaaS market will be worth $4.4 billion by 2031. That's huge. But here's the problem. The average dental practice loses over $105,000 every year from no-shows and operational chaos. Why do some practices thrive while others struggle? We're going to explore that. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building a dentist SaaS in 2026, then you've come to the right video. In this video, we'll show you a complete dental practice management platform. You will get to know what end users see, what gets controlled behind the scenes, and how AI fits into all of this, and what it costs to build. Let's start. Before we dive in, let's talk about what you're building into. The dentist SaaS market is massive, but most practices struggle with three things. First, patient management chaos. Manual scheduling and paper charts drain 20 hours weekly. AI changes this with automated scheduling that fills no-show gaps in real time. Smart reminders cut no-shows from 15% to 1%, and admin time drops by 60%. Second, revenue leakage. The average practice loses $105,000 annually from no-shows and denied claims. Treatment acceptance sits at just 30%. AI solves this through predictive scheduling and automated insurance verification that catches errors before submission. AI-driven treatment plans push acceptance to 90%. Third, patient experience. Generic reminders don't work anymore. Patients expect online booking, two-way SMS, and payment flexibility, and modern platforms deliver. Self-scheduling 24/7, automated follow-ups, and integrated payment plans. Now, why is 2026 the perfect time? 4 reasons. First, the business case. The US has 143,000 dentists at $300 monthly per provider. That's a $515 million annual opportunity. Incumbents like Dentrix and Carestream run on rigid pricing and legacy tech, while private equity pays 8 to 12 times revenue multiples. Second, massive gaps. 68% of practices still use legacy systems or paper, and 61% of patients prefer online scheduling. The practices that digitize now win the tech-savvy base. Third, timing advantage. Dental SaaS investments will hit $4.4 billion by 2031, as big practices consolidate and small practices need automation. The window is now. Fourth, convergence. AI diagnostics are finally accurate, telehealth regulations support remote consultations, and payment processing is seamlessly embedded. All the pieces are in place. So what does a platform built for 2026 actually look like? Let's show you. Let's take a walkthrough of Dental OS, an AI-powered SaaS platform built to streamline clinic operations, patient care, and decision-making for modern dental practices. When we open the platform, we land on the dashboard, the command center of the clinic. At the top, we see key metrics including today's appointments, cancellations, no-shows, revenue for the day, outstanding payments, and chair utilization. Utilization is calculated based on the number of active chairs in the clinic. Below this, AI-powered insights highlight revenue trends, which are shown on a monthly growth chart. We also see today's schedule with patient statuses clearly marked. For example, some patients are confirmed, while others are flagged by AI as potential no-shows based on past behavior. This allows the clinic to proactively manage scheduling risks. Next, we move to the appointments section. Here, the entire clinic schedule is displayed visually, organized by chairs and time slots. The schedule runs from morning to evening, showing which patient is assigned to which chair and dentist. On the right, AI insights summarize chair status, utilization levels, and quick actions. Scrolling down shows a list of all appointments for the day with real-time updates. Now we open patients. At the top, we see total patients, active patients, new patients for the month, and overdue appointments. Below that is the patient directory for the selected branch. Opening a patient profile, such as Emma Thompson, reveals a complete overview including contact details, appointment history, missed appointments, payment risk score, confidence score, and preventive care recommendations generated by AI. Medical images like X-rays, intraoral images, and 3D scans are available directly within the profile, along with treatment history and medical records. Quick action buttons allow staff or dentists to take immediate next steps. Next is treatments and charts. This section features an interactive dental chart with all 32 teeth mapped visually. Each tooth is marked as healthy, treated, planned, or requiring attention. On the right side, we see treatment timelines, medical images, and AI-generated treatment insights. These recommendations are advisory only. The final decision always remains with the dentist. Moving to billing and insurance, we can track patient invoices, pending payments, and overdue balances. Each patient profile shows billing history, insurance provider details, payment timelines, and AI-driven billing recommendations. Automation helps flag overdue payments and optimize follow-ups. Now we open Clinic Performance. This section breaks down performance by dentist, chair utilization, and clinic location. Clinics can be filtered individually or viewed collectively across all branches. Chair utilization analytics show usage percentages, downtime analysis, revenue contribution, and AI optimization alerts. Location performance dashboards display weekly, monthly, and yearly trends, along with AI-generated insights. Next is the AI Assistant module. AI Advisory Mode is active, clearly governed by strict boundaries, no diagnosis, no treatment decisions, and no prescriptions. AI provides recommendations only, with the final authority always remaining with the dentist. AI modules operate across patients, treatments, billing, and clinic performance. Every AI action is logged in a transparent audit trail for accountability. The report section provides comprehensive financial, patient, appointment, and performance reports. Visual charts display revenue trends, patient demographics, treatment distribution, and appointment utilization. A custom report builder allows clinics to generate tailored reports based on specific criteria. Recent reports and historical data are available for download and review. Finally, we move to settings. Here, clinics can configure clinic setup, staff roles, working hours, and multi-location management. AI controls allow admins to enable or disable specific AI modules, adjust alert sensitivity, and review explainability settings. An audit log tracks who accessed the system, what changes were made, and when ensuring full compliance and security. With that, we complete the walkthrough of Dental OS, a powerful AI-driven dental SaaS platform designed to improve efficiency, enhance patient care, and give clinics complete operational visibility. Dental OS is available as both a web platform and mobile app, providing seamless access across devices. The next generation of dental practice management belongs to platforms that combine AI automation with seamless patient experience. And the window to enter this market is now. At Brew Labs, we've helped businesses launch HIPAA-compliant, AI-powered dental SaaS platforms that manage thousands of patient appointments daily. From AI-driven scheduling to automated insurance verification to personalized patient communication, we design, develop, and deploy working dental platforms within 45 days. Click the link in the description, fill out a short form to share your details, and schedule a free consultation call with us. Our team will reach out for a detailed discussion to discuss your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.